This is Sean Loughran from Enable Ireland National Assistive Technology Training Service. In this video presentation, I'm going to give a demonstration of a few low-cost options for screen reading. First of all, what is a screen reader? It's an application for a computer that interprets what's being displayed on the screen, and it presents this information as speech for the user. So it has its uses for people who are blind, maybe visually impaired, or individuals with a low literacy level. So the first low-cost screen reader is called Non-Visual Desktop Access, which is a free open-source screen reader for Windows. Its main features include support for over 20 languages. It comes with eSpeak, which is a free multilingual speech synthesizer, and also its ability to run entirely from a USB key with no installation, which means a user just has to insert a USB key wherever they want screen reading. So I've just opened up the Non-Visual Desktop Access program, and I'm going to open up a document here in Microsoft Word.
Desktop about Enable Ireland last.
So I can use my cursor keys and go up and down to read a line at a time.
About Us. Enable Ireland provides free services to children and adults with disabilities.
Or I can use the modifier key, the control key, and the down arrow, and to read a paragraph at a time.
Our services for children and their families cover all aspects of a child's physical. The demand for our services continues to increase.
Or I can use the cursor keys left and right to read each character.
E. Space.
And when I use the modifier key control, it will read a word at a time instead.
Demand for our services.
So another option is that we can use the mouse to read as well. So hovering over with the mouse pointer over a word or a paragraph will read that paragraph. For example, I'm going to move over to the first heading.
About Us.
And the next paragraph.
Enable Ireland provides free services to children and adults with disabilities and their families from 40 locations in 14 counties, covering about Enable.
Or up to some of even the menus or buttons.
The selected text bold. Italicize the select underline. Font Times New Roman. Insert. Page layout. References. About. Pane.
So I've closed down Microsoft Word there. Now getting into preferences for the program, I'm pressing Insert
NVDA
and
menu.
N.
Best preference. General synthesizer.
So you can see on the synthesizer I can select other speech engines such as Microsoft speech engines. Also I have the option to customize my voice, so I can select a rate or volume, etc. that suits me.
NVDA menu, pref tools, preference, NVDA menu,
So there is the option to set it up with a braille display,
mouse settings,
and the option to set it up with a mouse so that we could play audio coordinates when the mouse moves.
Cancel. Camtasia Studio. NVDA help to preference NVDA object document for.
And the options whether the program reports, font size or name, or the style or color of text, or options to report tables and links and headings, etc.
OK. Cancel. Camtasia Studio screen reader 2.
So this program is available for download at www.nvda-project.org.
Recording.
Thunder is another free screen reader. It reads text in a similar way to the previous application using the cursor keys and the control modifier key.
Word script initialized. Enable Ireland provide free services to children and adult N8.
Using the
L
right cursor key
space
and using the control
Ireland provide
and right cursor key.
services.
However, it does not read the text when the mouse pointer hovers over a word or a paragraph.
Recording.
So I'll just minimize this here
Word script.
and show you settings.
Setup.
So
Okay.
we can choose a number of voices,
Microsoft L. Handsoft Daniel _
and we can customize the speed and the volume. And there's various options here how we can customize what's actually spoken.
Under settings button.
The Thunder installation comes with a web browser called Webby. Webby has an address bar which shows the address of the current website and a text display of the contents.
Books link. Translate link.
Pages can be read by moving around the text.
Blogs link. Real-time link.
So Thunder can be downloaded from www.screenreader.net.
Vertical line link.
Recording.
So the last one to demonstrate free screen reader is called System Access to Go. It's available from www.saytogo.com.
Recording.
So a small demonstration of System Access to Go. I'm going to go to a website here.
Electronic Enable Ireland.
And as I hover over any text or link, it will say that paragraph or word.
Electronic at. Assistive technology aims to offer the widest range of assistive technology works best when parents. Link. Parents. About Enable Ireland. About us.
And in the same way, we can use the cursor keys and the control modifier key to go through a Word document.
Enable Ireland provides free services to children and adults with disabilities.
Now that's just a sample of what's available in terms of low cost or free screen reading applications. By no means is it a complete list.